How you doing, everybody? Welcome back. This is Oscar, and today I'll talk about SNDL price prediction, stock analysis, and everything in between because I see there's something going on. And from previous experiences with stocks like GME or AMC, I see that if people hold the line, something big can happen. And that's what we're going to be talking by the end of this video, because that's the purpose of my channel: stocks, Roth IRA, and cryptocurrencies, making sure we attach and get financial freedom either by the typical retirement investing in index funds or these YOLO plays that for some people is working. All right, everybody. So we're going to come back to this technical analysis later on. First, what I want to show you today is, of course, good positive news in my portfolio. We're making money. Now, SNDL, Sundial Growers. So yesterday we left this one at 130 cents, $1.30, and it dropped heavily, which that's what you would expect in a stock like this one. Now it's, typically at 116, 119, 120 cents. And well, what would you expect? The volatility is here. Take a look at this now. I'm going to use Stock Rubber, which I totally recommend to analyze your stocks. And to start with SNDL, you're going to see, and here it's where I'm going to take a little bit of a bearish position. So I'm a bullish guy and I'm a bearish guy for some things, of course. But for SNDL, besides being careful, if you want to jump in this short squeeze, well, just take a look at this. Here, where I do like the analysis, people are saying, of course, to sell. Like right now, out of the get-go, people are already saying sell, not hold, which that's what Wall Street wants you to do, right? The momentum rating score, it's very high. So that's why people are talking about SNDL right now. And we're going to see that the volume SNDL is leading today as well. Pretty much this since Wednesday all the way Thursday and Friday. But the warnings, just take a look at this. High short percent. So it is a high short stock at this time. So a significant percentage of this company shares are being shorted by investors betting against it. So that is the main definition of a short squeeze. You have people betting against it, and you have retail investors who are the army, the SNDL army, and the short squeeze army, Wall Street bets, whoever you want to call it, who are buying, and hold it with diamond hands, expecting that to pop up. But as a short squeeze investor, as a very risky investor, you have to sell. Eventually you have to sell. Why? Well, let me show you this. SNDL 1 year ago, this is what happened. The short squeeze everybody was looking for, $3, almost $4, and it came back down. If that happens, then that's the opportunity. That's why you're here, right? And you're watching this video. Now, $1.20, guys, that's the price it was around February the 3rd and 2nd, before the short squeeze of February the 10th. So it's gonna take a while. If you're into this risky place, you have to be a little bit more patient. Absolutely. Like if I get to this level with SNDL, like I said yesterday, I'm going to sell. If it even continues going to $5 or $6, which that will be amazing, I'm gonna be fine. Leaving money on the table, it's better than losing money. Especially me, because if you didn't know, I do have an option call at $3.05 a strike price that I want my money back. And if that happens, everyone, that's my green line point. You may have more call options. I just have one. I know people usually buy way more than one. So SNDL is one, but AMC is another one that if you take a look at the warnings, there's also high short percentage. And all of the stocks that I have right here, BB, GME, and Naked Brands, they all have high short. So people are just finding these ways of making money that can, in a way, go against, what we're taught by typical investing that I follow, to be honest with you. But sometimes if you have $200, $300 that you can spare from your main investing portfolio and you want to do this risky place, it's like going to Vegas and gambling. You may lose money, you may earn money, it's up to you. But one thing I also wanted to show you is the GME, because there's one thing I found on Facebook that is very important to understand. The price of GME right now is $200.54, $254. Take a look at this. So I am part of the penny stock news for Robinhood and Webull. And I want to highlight this post by Doomglow that says, don't forget that GME dropped from 160 all the way to down to $61 the day before it squeezed to 249. Don't be fooled. And one more that I liked about from Justo Bytes, and it says GME timeline. This was in January. This was way before I remember the Apple earnings, the Microsoft earnings that I was, betting for. Didn't go the way I wanted because, this Wall Street messed up the stock market and just didn't happen. So on January the 12th, the price of GME was $20. On January the 19th, the price of GME was $40. So it doubled. But the price of GME on January the 27th was $347. And yes, nobody sold, right? Then Robinhood restricted buying, the price crash. So if that happens again, I think people will be extremely, very, very furious if Robinhood or Webull or any other broker restricts again the price of SNDL, not letting you buy but only sell, and of course the price is going to drop. So that happened already. A lot of people got mad, and I don't see that happening again. But if it does, it's going to be amazing seeing the lawsuits again to Robinhood, right? So it took about 2 weeks for the squeeze to go from $20 to $347. So why do I say that, guys? Because let's go ahead back to the 1 year. Take a look at this. So it took from January the 12th all the way to January the 27th to get $347 in GameStop. And if we go to SNDL, the stock that we're talking right now, we did have a squeeze from January the 27th, guys, to February the 10th. Pretty much the same days, almost the same days as GameStop. So this could be the beginning. This could be the beginning of what we're talking about right here. So this could be the beginning of the squeeze. Like I said in my previous video, I'm not buying anymore. I know some of you guys on my comments are saying buy more and make your average cost less. I'm fine. Like I can tell you from experience, I'm fine. I'm not the greatest at timing the market. I don't think I'm the only one, right, on that scenario. But I'm honest with my opinions, and I think I'm fine with this. And if it goes up all the way to $3 or more, I'll be extremely grateful because I didn't sell. And at that point, goodbye. So last but not least, guys, that I also want to show you is the technicals here, which it's very important. I'm going to move my camera right here so you see. So at this time, Sundial Growers SNDL has the greatest volume, which means that people are buying it, people are selling it a lot. And if we go here to our left, we see that Sundial Growers has the lowest percentage change. So that in all helps you understand, that in all makes sense, because you're going to have a lot of volatility in a stock that is being squeezed. Yesterday, the price of AMC dropped. 2 days ago, the price of AMC was really high, and so forth. So that's what you can expect. And this is the latest volume of SNDL, 270, and AMC is coming pretty high to 200 if you see it here. And then it's Senseonetics and Naked Brand and BlackBerry. And Ford, if you didn't know, Ford is growing the stock price. So we got to take a look at Ford as well. So when it comes to SNDL, guys, if you want the short squeeze, you don't have anything else but holding, it might come all the way back down and crash. That's the risk, of course. That's why it's classified as a YOLO play. But it might also be the beginning of a beautiful short squeeze that will make us a lot of money. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all your support. We just passed 2,000 subscribers, so I couldn't tell you how grateful I am to have you. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, and there's my Patreon page down below the link. Please click, join the Discord, and support the channel. You take care, everyone. Peace.